What's up guys, we're back in the shop today prepping the truck for Easter Jeep Safari, and today we're going to install a front locker. Alright, so now that we have the front differential out of the truck and torn apart, we can take a look at some stuff. Important thing to note when taking these things apart is that you need to keep things in order. As you can see, we marked two marks on this side, and then we match those marks. Hard to see it there. We match those on the differential, that way we know this goes back on this side up. This is what we took out. Open front diff, pretty standard looking for any differential. These are your side gears and your spider gears. And what those allow is your front tires to spin at different rates when you're turning. Since they're following different arcs, the inside tire is always going to spin slower than the outside tire. So when we're off-road in Moab, a lot of rocks, we're going to want a front locker. We're going to want to lock both of those front tires together so they're both pulling and can grab us and pull us over obstacles. Options are limited. This is about the only one for a front locker, and this is a factory ZR2 front locker. So since this truck's got pretty low miles and we will be re-gearing it in the future, we're going to pull these bearings off of this, swap them onto the new one, and that'll be good enough for this trip. Alright, as you can see, we got the front locker installed. Everything's bolted, torqued down, Loctite it up, and all we got left is drill a hole for the wiring. With the hole drill, all we gotta do is feed the wires through, or rubber grommets already included with the kit. Alright, we got the wiring all pulled through. Now we just need to flush out all the chips in there and reassemble. Alright guys, that wraps up the front locker install. All that's left is for me to toss the front diff back in the truck, get the locker wired up, throw the front suspension back together. Up next, front and rear bumpers for the truck, and our new ultimate skid plates. Remember to use code OFFROAD10 at checkout, save you 10% on all products made by us at 589. Thanks for watching.